Alright, today we're looking at a 2010 Mazda 2 DE. Vibrations during reverse. Suspected engine mounts. All three engine mounts were replaced about 5 years ago. First one we're going to check is the lower engine mount. This one's an automatic transmission. There's the mount there. You got this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and this bolt. Once it's undone, you can replace it. Alright, here's the old mount versus the new mount. It's quite stiff, but apart from these little thin sections, I mean, I don't see anything really too wrong. But anyway, we got it out. Might as well replace it. This is a cheapy, no-name brand off eBay. Much softer rubber. So maybe this will have less noise, vibrations. This one's definitely feels lighter and probably cheaper materials. Yeah, I mean, I think this was 35 Australian dollar bucks, so for 5 years, worth a shot. This one, I think it's still good. It's weightier. I might even try and fill these with some polyurethane, make an insert. Just to strengthen this side of the mouth for more vibrations. But yeah, we'll reinstall this.